The topic is power resource. The first power resource I will discuss on coal. Coal is found in sedimentary rocks. It is a fossil fuel. Coal consists of major portion of carbon. In coal, oxygen, hydrogen, nitrogen gas are also present. On the basis of carbon and moisture in coal, it is classified into anthracite, bituminous, lignite, cannel, coal and peat coal. Anthracite, it is a very strong, glowing, superior quality coal and carbon presence in it is 90 to 96%. The second category is bituminous coal, where carbon contains 70 to 90%, and black color lower quality of bituminous is called subbituminous. Bituminous is of three types: coking coal, gas coal and steam coal. Coking coal to melt the metals and household needs. Coking coal is used to melt the metals and it is used for household needs. Second is gas coal, that is to make gas, and the steam coal to make steam, bhap. Lignite or brown coal, where carbon is 45 to 70% and it is mainly used in thermal power and producing steam. Cannel coal, where 40% or less carbon present and it is of inferior quality. It is used to produce gas, mainly gas producing. The peat coal, it is recent coal in age. In it 55% carbon, 35% oxygen and 10% hydrogen. It is mainly used in household as fuel. What are the byproducts of coal? The byproducts of the coal are coke, charcoal, ammonia, naphthalene, coal gas and phenyl. There are few methods of coal mining. Which are those methods? The first method is open cast mining method. Second is drift mining method. Third is shaft mining. And the fourth is slope mining बा सुरंग खोद कर जो माइनिंग किया जाता है. कोल प्रोडक्शन वर्ल्ड वाइड अगर हम देखें तो चाइना स्टैंड्स फास्ट इन कोल प्रोडक्शन, यूएसए सेकेंड, इंडिया, ऑस्ट्रेलिया, साउथ अफ्रीका, रशिया एक्सेट्रा. According to 2008 data. If we discuss about the coal reserves and distribution worldwide, in Russia there is Donbas, Kuznetsk Basin, Kuzbas, Moscow, Ural area, Siberia, Caucasus area. In USA, Appalachian coal area, Western Pennsylvania, Middle Appalachian, Alabama, Northern Plain area, Rocky Mountainous area, Mexico and Mexico Gulf area. Third is China. Next is China stands fast. In China, Shanxi, Sichuan Basin, Manchuria, Hunan, Hubei, Beijing area, Shanxi area and Shandong area. In India, there is Damodar Valley, Jharia, Raniganj, Bokaro, West Bengal, Jharkhand. Son Valley, Madhya Pradesh, Jharkhand. Mahanadi Valley, Madhya Pradesh, Odisha. Godavari Valley, Satpura coal area. These are the Gondwana coalfield area. And in the tertiary coalfield area extends in Assam, Meghalaya, Rajasthan, Tamil Nadu, Jammu and Kashmir. In Europe, In Britain, Lancashire, York, Derby, Nottinghamshire, Midland area, Staffordshire, Scottish province. In France, Belgium, Germany, Ruhr area, Silesia, Saar area. Besides these countries, in South Africa, we find low-grade coal in Transvaal and Natal. Other countries where coal is found, but coal is mined in Japan, Africa, etc., Australia. Coal production, according to 2007, China 39.7% of the total coal production, USA 16.2%, India 7.5%, Australia 6.2%, and Russia 4.9%. There is economic importance of coal. I will tell you one by one, point wise. First point is coal is used in iron and steel industry, manufacturing machines, rail engine, cement industry, cotton industry, electricity producing or thermal power. Second point is coal is the most important source supplying more than 55% of heat of energy in the world. There are other sources locally available or importing like oil, natural gas, wood, water, etc. But coal is man's main source of energy and heat. The third importance is it is also the source of valuable products. Visualize gases, tar, oil, pitch, coke, ammonia, fertilizers, synthetic dyes, and numerous drugs. Fourth importance of coal is burnt inside a boiler to get steam. This steam causes the machinery to move. Steam is used to produce of electric power. The fifth importance is the carbon derived from coke is indispensable for steel. So coal may be said to be the basis of modern industrialization. Modern industry is run by the coal. Countries are now trying hard to develop coal production with the object of attaining industrial progress and economic betterment. And the last point is coke is necessary for making iron and steel. Coal as a raw material is essential to the chemical industry. As a source of power, coal influences the location of manufacturing industries. In India, coal industry is facing some problems. I have written down some points here, and one by one I will discuss the points. The first point is increased coal production with an excess of lower grade coal without any plan for their proper utilization is one of the pressing problems in India's coal industry. कोल प्रोडक्शन जो हो रहा है वो लोअर ग्रेड कोल प्रोडक्शन हो रहा है और कोई प्लान फ्यूचर प्लान नहीं है और कोई यूटिलाइजेशन की कोई प्लान नहीं है और प्रोडक्शन होता रहता है. ये एक प्रॉब्लम है. द प्रॉब्लम ऑफ filling of mine spaces in the coal field. Problem of transport is also faced by coal mining industry in India. Railways, roadways and waterways should play effective role in removing the problem of transport and in developing coal mining. Machineries are to be employed in coal mines. Increasing use of machineries in coal mining will raise coal production. ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा machineries use करना चाहिए जो नहीं हो पा रहा है. Lower cost of production and will ensure scientific coal mining. Fire within coal mines and inundation in working mines are common. Workers do not possess education in modern mining methods. उनकी इतनी skill by education नहीं है workers में. Collieries are not scientifically managed. And the last point is conservation policies are not followed. गवर्नमेंट कुछ एक्शन भी ले रहे हैं. ऑल द कोल माइंस except those of TISCO and DISCO have been taken over by the government of India in the interest of the country. It is expected that the problems of India's coal mining industry would be removed to a greater extent and production of coal would increase considerably in order to meet the growing needs of the country. As a result, the production of coal in the country is now almost completely in the public sector, mainly by Coal India Limited, Eastern Coalfields, Western Coalfields, etc. Coal की trade in coal, the USA, UK, Poland and South Africa and India, Russia are major exporters of coal. Germany, Canada, France, West Germany, Italy, Belgium, Luxembourg, Netherlands and Japan are the principal importers of coal. Conservation of coal. Of all known sources of energy, coal is the most important source, supplying more than 55% of heat and energy in the world. More than 2 billion tons of coal are being used for power and fuel in different countries. The coal reserves, especially in West Europe and in the USA, has been depleted. The reserves of good quality coal in many parts of the world started showing signs of exhaustion. The imperative need is therefore to adopt a policy of conservation of coal. तो सबसे ज़्यादा इम्पॉर्टेंट यही है, कोल को हमें कंजर्व करना चाहिए, अननेसेसरी कोल प्रोडक्शन को रोकना चाहिए, क्योंकि पृथ्वी में कई हिस्सों में कोल की एक डिप्लीशन स्टार्ट हो चुका है. सो वी हैव टू अडॉप्ट अ पॉलिसी ऑफ कंजर्वेशन ऑफ कोल. The policy is to include the economic exploitation of coal by avoiding unnecessary wastage and have best possible utilization of coal. Thank you.